From the primitive Triassic theropods evolved a great diversity of meat-eating dinosaurs, which would be the dominant carnivores on land throughout the remainder of the Mesozoic. They ranged in size from tiny forms to the longest land predators ever. They varied in their teeth, in the size of their arms, and some even developed feathers and evolved into the first birds. Birds evolved in the Jurassic period, and by the Cretaceous they were diverse. The most common birds of the Cretaceous period were a group known as the enantiornithine birds. These would become completely extinct in the end Cretaceous extinction. During the Jurassic period, the ancestral prosauropods evolved into the larger sauropods, quadrupedal herbivores which would include the largest land animals to ever walk the earth. Many of these lineages continued into the Cretaceous and the end of the Mesozoic era. The basal armored dinosaurs evolved into a great diversity of forms. The stegosaurs were quite diverse during the Jurassic period, and some persisted into the Cretaceous period. Most of the armored dinosaurs of the Cretaceous period belonged to the nodosaur and ankylosaur groups. From small bipedal ornithischian dinosaurs evolved the ornithopods, a very large diverse group of herbivores which were mostly bipedal, but some of the larger forms were capable of walking on all four legs as well. The ornithopods included the very large iguanodonts, and by the Cretaceous, the quite diverse group of duck-billed dinosaurs, or hadrosaurs. From small bipedal forms, a great diversity of horned dinosaurs had evolved. At first they were bipedal, then capable of both bipedal and quadrupedal locomotion, and then the large group was primarily quadrupedal and would evolve a great diversity of crests and horn shapes. The diversity of marine reptiles was greatly reduced in the end Triassic extinction. In the Jurassic period, going into the Cretaceous period, some groups survived, such as ichthyosaurs, although their diversity would not be the same. A number of marine crocodiles of the Mesosuchian group. The plesiosaurs and pliosaurs would diversify and become much more common and diverse by the Cretaceous period. Also, there was a group of marine lizards known as the MOSASAURS, and their cousins were the first snakes, which were marine and still retained tiny vestiges of legs.